Hello and welcome to Morbiwalas. In this video, we are going to see the best corner units available by Hafele. This corner unit is known as the Flex Corner. The advantage of this is that it's available in 4 different trays. So you can segregate your storage, and also it comes out completely so you have full access to your corner unit. Each tray can take up to 6 to 8 kgs of weight. So total about 30 kgs of weight, but you need to equally divide it into all 4 trays. The shutter size has to be a minimum of 450 mm, and while designing you have to make sure that the width of the cabinet is 900 mm, the depth is 550 mm.
This Flex Corner is also available in lava grey finish.
This corner unit that we have is known as the Eco Pro Arc Power Slide. If you see, it's got a big D-shaped tray. These trays can be easily removed, so you can easily clean the inside corners. And this one tray can take about 15 to 18 kgs of weight. While designing, you have to make sure that your shutter size is around 450 mm, that's about 18 inches. The depth not less than 550 mm. And in case if you have the counter which is in L, let's say 18 inches, you can still fix this because this needs only 900 mm of space.
This corner unit is available in 2 other finishes. One is the chrome finish and the other is the lava grey finish. Lava grey finish is one of the most premium finishes as it enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen.
This corner unit is by Blum. It's known as the Space Corner. It's one of my favorites. When you open it, it turns out like any other drawer with a good depth of 26 inches. You can use it for your storage of cutlery, you can use it for your storage of spices and multi-purpose. These small drawers can take up to a weight of 30 kgs, and the bigger storage, it can take up to 60 kgs with your storage of grains, oil, etc. While designing, you need to make sure that whatever width that you take, you need to take the same width here. That is one. Second, this can range from 300 mm to 450 mm. That's about 12 inches to 18 inches. Also, what happens in this corner unit is you take up space from both sides of the counter. Unlike all other previous corner units where you take only one side of the corner and the other side is used as your regular storage. Advantage of this space corner is also that you can match and improve the aesthetics of the kitchen by matching the lines of the drawers next to it. There's another tall unit by Hafele. Here if you see, both sides of the corners are used. This is about 300 mm here and 300 mm here. You need to open this with a double side hinge and you flip this again, open here. There are 4 trays in this, and this can easily turn and you can get the back side in the front. These shelves can be adjusted to different heights that you want. Each shelf can take about 25 kgs of weight. This is a very innovative fitting by Hafele. If you see, there are these sides, both sides of the platform are used as storage, and this is a storage with a shelf, and this storage is used for a cylinder. However, we've given an access to the corner unit just by a click of button. It's a motorized fitting which comes up. The top tray can take about 10 kgs of weight and the bottom tray can take about 15 kgs. The edges of this needs to be sealed so that water don't seep in. However, it's best that it's not used next to a water area. Hope this video has been helpful to you and will help you designing your dream kitchen. Thank you for watching.